little Nora cubes sitting in a pack. One made a casserole and never came back. Another made a chicken broth, another made a stew. Another made a pilaf, and then there were two. Two little Nora cubes, me oh my. One made a hot pot, another made a pie. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Heaven!
Better get another pack for only 2 and 7.
Get Knorr cubes and make stock the modern way.
Milander, yes, all the mums are mad about Milander. Fresh white sock Milander. Milander.
Give 'em Milander.
Don't let the chicken see it. It's a secret. Gives casseroles a kind of piquant flavor. Makes any chicken dish wild.
Lemco.
Lemco's made with real chickens.
Real chicken stock in a tablet.
Lemco does the wildest things for food.
Well, I'm cowboy outside and Indian inside. Uh-oh.
Choose fruit or Toffee Glees. Twice the fun, 2 sweets in 1.
Mit Millionen von Bohnen beginnt's Kaffeebohnen, beginnt's ja aus Werder. Maxwell, nur aus echtem Kaffee, frisch geröstetem Kaffee, wird duftender. Maxwell, nur ein Blick ins Glas, echtes Kaffeebraun. Dieser Kaffeeduft frische kann man wirklich vertrauen. Kaffeeduft, 6 little Nora cubes sitting in a pack. One made a casserole and never came back. Another made a chicken broth, another made a stew. Another made a pilaf, and then there were two. Two little Nora cubes, me oh my. One made a hot pot, another made a pie. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Heaven!
Better get another pack for only 2 and 7.
Get Knorr cubes and make stock the modern way.
Milander, yes, all the mums are mad about Milander. Fresh white sock Milander. Milander.
Give 'em Milander.
Here come supplies for the army. Treetop orange, made with the juiciest, fruitiest, fresh whole oranges. So Treetop, in the big new bottle, has more real fruity flavor. This is a game even girls can play. And it's extra strong, so it goes so much further. Treetop, that's the stuff to give the troops. There's a whole family of Treetop whole fruit drinks. Delicious lemon, smooth lemon and barley, sweet, juicy golden lime, exotic orange and passion fruit, as well as fresh fruity orange.
There's more fruity flavoring, fresh fruity flavoring, true fruity flavoring, Treetop.
Treetop.
En su papá, escoge su boca, alegra sus Presta, Tonic, Prestigio con Presta, Tonic. Like a shortcake, better make it two. Take a pack of Peak Freans, nothing else will do.
They know what's good. Shortcake, the biscuit you can really bite. Homemade taste. Peak Frean Shortcake.
Cream. Sunshine. Cream and sunshine butter. New Zealand butter. Golden as sunshine. The creamiest you'll ever spread. New Zealand butter.
Hey, what's under those cups? Shh, sweet tops. New stuff for afters. Can I look? Yeah. Wow. A fruit juice topping. Shh.
Sweet Tops in 4 different flavors with real fruit juice topping. Easy to make, quick setting, birds, shh, Sweet Tops.